Hi everyone, this is Jacob and it's finally Friday. I hope you had a good break, a good holiday season, and we'll jump back into it talking about the QBSS Load Element and how you can turn it on in the Extreme wireless controller and what it does for you. So let's first talk about what it does for you. And to do that, I'm going to open up Wi-Fi Explorer. So there are a bunch of different wireless scanners you can use to see this kind of information. I use Wi-Fi Explorer because I like it the best. However, it is only for Mac, and there is not a Windows version. However, you can go to MetaGeeks and get a program like Insider and see the same thing. So what the QBSS Load Element shows you, it'll show you the number of stations on an SSID and the channel utilization for that SSID's channel. So how do we set this up in Extreme Wireless? To do this, you have to go to the VNS. If you go to the VNS, then we can choose which SSID we want to turn it on. You can only turn it on per SSID because it is a beacon element. So this will go out with the beacon and the probe responses. So you have to turn it on globally for each SSID. It'll be under QoS because it's a part of 802.11e that came out back in 2005. So we'll check off 802.11e, hit save. And when you give it a second and let the APs update, you will see now we have the number of stations on the SSID and the channel utilization for that SSID. And you can also see when you break down the actual beacon that you get that same information, the client count, the channel utilization, and the available admission capacity, which is another bit of information that the QBSS Load Element gives you. This is very helpful whenever you're trying to troubleshoot an environment because you get to see the channel utilization as the AP sees it. If you have an area where your channel utilization is very high, that's an area that we may want to go in and look at the channel plan or see what we can adjust to bring that channel utilization down. That's it for this Friday. I hope you have a great one, and I will catch you next time. Thank you for joining.